Yeah, manipulado in the area, you know. Nunca te falha, you know what I mean? Sempre no te dá, nunca te talha. Yeah, manipulado, sempre na área. Get it up. Some niggas just got an issue, too many problems, ain't no way you can solve them. So many people got issues, too many problems, ain't no way you can solve them. Yeah, you ain't got no problem, I ain't gotta solve them. You already know my nigga live sucker free, dog. Yeah, levanta, vive, mó quem crê, caminhada, mó quem crê, tudo que fazia, mó quem crê. A vida fazia só coisa eu quem crê. Cadê ninguém que tá bom fazer coisa quem cá crê. Cada siga eu ninguém, nunca siga eu sou Deus. Cada ouvi com ninguém, então ouvi só com minha mente. Yeah, por isso que minha sala é diferente, longe desse. Escapou comigo, a mim está afastado desse. Yeah, sabe claro, so many niggas got a problem. Too many people have a problem, but they can solve them. Too many people got an issue, you know, too many problems, they can solve them. Yeah, I'm trying to stay away from the problem. Yeah, you know, sucker free, dog. I'm trying to do me, nigga, every hour, every second. I gotta enjoy life, like it's one time you can live it, you know. After life comes death, nigga. Before I die, nigga, I'm losing my life, nigga. To the fullest. Fucking bitches every day, spending money every day, you know. Only miss the ones that's good to me, dog. When I'm gone, nigga, I'm gone, nigga. Ain't coming back, dog. Too many niggas got a problem. Too many niggas got an issue. Too many problems, niggas can't solve them, you know. Too many problems, them niggas can't solve them. So many niggas got an issue. Too many problems, them niggas can't solve them. Yeah, I'm trying to stay, nigga, without a problem. You know, stay away from the haters. Living my life far away from the haters. You know, I gotta do me, dog. That's how I feel good, homie. I ain't calling you for no favor, can't you see? Sometimes I forget some niggas existed. Too many problems, too many issues. Y'all niggas can't solve them. Yeah, too many problems, too many issues. Niggas can't solve them.